Hey, middle-aged musician here again, and today I want to talk about this. It's the Beautiful Noise Endeavors When the Sun Explodes reverb pedal. Sounds ominous, but it sounds really good. It has a number of features, it has a lot of features, and I'll walk through some of those. Let's go through the front panel here. On-off switch. You have this feedback switch. So when you hold this down, it will feedback in like this loop. And so get to this sort of sun exploding kind of sound, and then a boost. I'll demonstrate those a little bit later. You have a master volume. You have reverb level. And this has a fair amount of reverb to it. It has what's called a color knob and decay. So you think about, reverb, things you want, everything's backwards. So you can control quite a bit. So feedback control. So this is kind of this middle row is really kind of where the magic happens with this pedal. So we've got a gain, so you can actually add a significant amount of gain. You kind of think about like some of the Echoplex or something in the amount of gain. This is that to like a higher degree. This feedback control for the knob, and then you have a rate, and then you have the switch here. Which has a square wave between it. I can't remember exactly what the switch does. On the back, we've got a controls for in, wet dry or wet only, symmetrical, asymmetrical, or off, which I think has to do with this feedback circuit. As I recall, 9-volt in. You have you can hook an expression pedal up to this, and then the output. And the way I've been using it, I use an expression pedal, and it basically affects the amount of this effect that I'll throw into the whole loop, and not loop, but the whole chain of effects.